Good morning, dear students. Chapter 5, Separation of Substances, I have completed. And today I will start garbage in, garbage out. Waste. Waste is anything which you can throw away. What is the waste? Waste is anything which you can throw away. And every day we throw many things, and we throw them away because we do not need. And all human activities produces waste, and waste comes from our houses, schools and college, from markets, industries, and for the commercial places. What is the waste? Waste is anything which you throw away. And see figure 16.1 and 16.2. Try to find out if anywhere in your locality such things are happening. Bring it to the notice of your parents and teachers. Solid waste is a term used to describe non-liquid waste materials. Municipal solid waste, commonly called garbage. Municipal solid waste, commonly called garbage. And garbage is the non-liquid waste that is generated from the households and commercial places, and it includes the foods you did not eat for dinner, old shoes, the empty soft drinks bottles, wrapper from your potato chips packets, vegetable peels, newspaper, batteries, worn out clothes, broken utensils, plastics, twigs of plants, and many other things. So what is the domestic waste? Domestic waste are the waste produced from our households in our daily activities, and these includes the kitchen wastage. These include the kitchen wastage. These includes kitchen wastage and human excreta, garbage, in garbage, that is the newspaper, rag, etc. And in fourth one, plastic bags. Plastic bags. So wastage, domestic wastage includes kitchen wastage, human excreta, garbage, that is newspaper, etc., and papers, plastic bags. Now come to the what is the biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastage. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastage. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastage. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastage. So what is the biodegradable wastage? The wastage which can be broken down to the harmless or non-poisonous substances by the action of microorganisms are called the biodegradable wastage. What is the biodegradable wastage? Biodegradable wastage can be broken down into the harmless or non-poisonous substances, and it is done by the action of the microorganism, that is the bacteria, And for example, domestic sewage, newspapers, vegetable matter, that is the comes under the biodegradable wastage. And what is the non-biodegradable wastage? Non-biodegradable wastage cannot be broken down into the non-poisonous substances easily, are called the non-biodegradable wastage, and which do not undergo rotting. It cannot done by the action of the microorganism, because it takes very long time or years for rotting. Just for the example, polythene bags, it takes long time or it takes many years for this. And for example, polythene bags, plastics, glass, aluminium cans, iron nails and DDT. And time taken by waste material to decompose, that is the vegetable matter, banana peel, it takes 3 to 4 weeks, so it comes under the biodegradable wastage. Newspapers, 4 weeks, this is also the biodegradable wastage. Cloth bag, 5 to 6 months. Wood pieces, 10 to 15 years, this is non-biodegradable. Aluminium cans, 200 to 500 years, this is also comes under the non-biodegradable wastage. Glass bottles, 1 million years. Plastic bags also 1 million years. So this is comes under the non-biodegradable, because it cannot broken down by the action of microorganism, and it takes very long time to rotting. So this is that's why it comes under the non-biodegradable wastage. And in activity 2, make a list of waste materials produced in your households in a week. Categorize these wastes as biodegradable and non-biodegradable, recyclable or reusable. And activity 3, it is given different items, and you have to find out it is biodegradable or non-biodegradable wastage. So what is the difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastage? Biodegradable wastage it takes very less time, or we can say that it can be broken down into the harmless or non-poisonous substances easily. And non-biodegradable, it takes very long time to rotting. So this is the difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable. So here different items are given, and you have to find out which one is the biodegradable and which one is the non-biodegradable wastage. So first one is the pot, old newspaper, paper bags, toffee wrappers, fruit peels, aluminium cans, broken glass pieces, dry leaves, waste food, polythene bags, pieces of cloth. And now put these items in separate containers and fill the containers with soil. Make the soil moist with water, and label each container and bury each container in pits made in the soil. Now leave these containers for about 3 weeks, and after 3 weeks take out the containers and note down the change in the item which were kept in each container, and see which item have rotted. Record your observations in the following table. So on the basis of information, which one is the rotten completely, partially rotten, no change at all. So on the basis of information, the items biodegradable and non-biodegradable you have to categorize according to the basis of different items it is given. So this is the wastage, and you will take revision of this, and chapter 5 I will give you the question answer. You have to write in your copy, and till here you will take revision. And after completing this one, you have to write in your copy question answers. You have to complete in your copy. So this till here you will take revision. What is the biodegradable wastage? What is the wastage? and what is the municipal solid wastage, and what is the difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastage. So till here you will take revision.